What up everyone, I am Rich Mays Lopez and this is another world famous Soul Collector unboxing, and today we have an OG Air Jordan on deck. The Shadow Air Jordan 1 High OG in all of its splendor. Now for a quick history lesson, the Shadow Air Jordan 1 is of course an OG colorway, originally released back in 1985. Now a lot of people don't really know this because they equate the Air Jordan 1 with black and red colorways or even the Royal colorway. But the Air Jordan 1 dropped in a ton of colors back in 1985, which includes the metallic collection, a lot of non-Bulls colorways, and of course this Shadow colorway. Obviously there's not much to talk about when it comes to the look and feel of the sneaker. If you've been in the game at all, even for a day, you know what we have here. Black and shadow gray upper, white midsole, black outsole. Nike Air on the tongue, as you would expect in the tongue tab. Classic Wings logo here. No Jumpman, of course, because this is the OG version. From a material standpoint, pretty good. I'm gonna give you the classic YouTuber comparison, not SBB level. Just gotta, keep it 100. I'm not even sure that they are bread level or Royal level. Definitely better than 2013 because to me that was super plasticky. So these are dropping on April 14th at a retail price of $160. Now I personally haven't seen any kind of launch locators or any indication of numbers or exclusivity or rareness of this release, but I would expect them to be pretty general release, but don't let that fool you because for a classic Jordan like this, a lot of people are gonna come out the woodworks to cop a pair. If you want a pair, do your homework early, get in there early, secure your pair so you don't have to go through any crap on release day. I'm Rich Mays Lopez. This is Soul Collector Unboxing. Till next time, y'all. Peace.